This one right here kills. She don't love you. Now, that statement right there will make all of these big muscle-bound, or the lack thereof, men want to tear through this phone, crunch it and crumble it into small pieces, grab my throat, wrap their hands around it, and choke me to death when I say relationships don't work and when I say she don't love you. Despite my posture, never lining up in any building, factory, household, mansion, bridge, trailer park, hillbillyville, even though I've never been to wherever y'all at, y'all think my spirit is so big that I control the stuff that I'm saying. I'm telling you from a result, doing a study, she don't love you. Her past is cluttered with relationship with men who she's had babies with. Her past is clustered with relationship with men who she thought she was going to have a baby with, but had abortions. This is a woman who is caught up and confused by the capsule of life in the past. Things that she have done has caused her to skyrocket to another space, another zone where she no longer has any remorse, any heart, compassion, or feeling for man, woman, dog, animal, cat, lizard, frog, or nothing. She don't love you. The proof is in the dollar, right? No, not completely. You can have a lot of money, and some of us do, and yet some of us still lose. I thought it was money at first. I did. At one point, I can't do that. At one point, I thought it was money. I thought, man, all I got to do is make a lot of money and she'll love me. Wave that finger like Matambo. That ain't it. That ain't it. Money is not it. Guess what? The solution is God, but we can't find God. We're too selfish to find God. In this hiccup conversation, the truth is, instead of in the daytime looking for each other with a magnifying glass, we need to find God. When God can ordain your steps and walk us and guide us to where we need to be, we can have the person that we're possibly supposed to have and live a fruitful life. She don't love you. That's a hard pill to swallow. Steve Stevens didn't understand that. She don't love you, bro. You could still be alive, man. I'm talking to a spirit right now. If Willow can do it, I can do it. He still would be alive. That lady in Ohio is still living, still out here. The weekend is getting ready to come up. She gonna fornicate probably like I do. She gonna do the same sexual stuff that I probably would do. As a matter of fact, she might be almost as nasty as I am. And she might be just as nasty as you are. So the thing is, she don't love him. She don't love you. She don't love me. So get past that fact. Quit hoping and wishing that she do love you. Because she don't. But the thing is, I'm going to say this to you. I love you. And that's all that should matters. Okay? Much respect.